Okay, we're just gonna jump right in. So today I wanna show how to connect Tally with Autocode. So let's look at Autocode. I just set up a new project. This is the boilerplate. Let's create the Tally form that we want to integrate with. So let's create a form, Tally plus Autocode example. And then let's just add some short answer questions. Or no, we just want a heading, I think. Okay. Let's just ask, what did you create today? That's a good one. Okay, so here is our form, easy with the publish it. And then there's this section called integrations. And if we go to Autocode, they do have a lot of built-in integrations, which makes this process a little bit easier. This is where you choose the endpoint. So you can see we can have a trigger from Discord, from Google Calendar, Slack, Twilio, Webflow, Typeform, a lot of different things. But if we want to use Tally and that's not in here, we'll have to create a custom one, but don't worry, it's really easy. So we'll select HTTPS, which is just going to create a webhook, and then this code is going to run. We don't actually need this, so let's delete that. Okay, and then what do we want to happen when the Tally form is submitted? So let's just do something easy right now, like console log. Tally form was submitted. And you can obviously do a lot more there. And then, so how do we connect these two? This is a big question. So let's go to connect on the webhook, and it's asking for an endpoint URL. So what we do is we grab this endpoint here. This is the URL that's this webhook that runs this code. Hopefully that makes sense. And we can just add that in here. This is only giving the root of the endpoint. We need to tell it exactly which file to run. So let's rename this as Tally submitted, or let's just say like form submitted. So we just, okay, now it added it to there. So I just hadn't named it yet, that's why. So let's just copy that into here. And then connect. And now it's connected, and now let's see if that worked. So let's try out our form. And basically we should see a console log in the logs. We can hit view logs here. So we should see a console log with this once we submit this. Let's see if it works. What did you create today? I created a Tally plus Autocode tutorial. So let's submit and see what happens. There we go. So that was really quick and fast, but I'm trying to keep these videos short and I only have 30 seconds left. So one more thing, if you want to push this to production, you would create a duplicate of this form. This will be your dev form, and you'll have a production one. And then when you push this to production, it'll give you a new link that then you'll have to go into your Tally form and make sure that the webhook is pointing to that. And that's it. That's Tally with Autocode. If you use this, let me know what you do with it. Thanks.